quiet series design at only 60 decibels for operator and crew comfort, ideal for indoor use. Runs at a lower RPM, 750, resulting in longer motor and pump life. Complete roll cage construction provides protection to withstand a variety of job site, transporting, and storage environments. Oil-free dual-piston pump designed for maintenance-free operation. Lightweight design, only 44 lbs, for increased job site portability. The MAC210Q is a compact AC-powered air compressor for use with regular pressure tools. Roll cage construction for extra protection of pump and motor assembly. With a compact and lightweight design,